Q. Assertion A. Artificial satellites are always launched from the Earth in the eastward direction. Reason R. The Earth rotates from west to east and so the satellite attains the escape velocity. 2002. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not a correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Q. Consider the following statements. 2005. 1. A geostationary satellite is at an approximate height of 10,000 kilometers. 2. FM transmission of music is of very good quality because the atmospheric or man-made noises which are generally frequency variations can do little harm. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Q. Satellites used for telecommunication relay are kept in a geostationary orbit. A satellite is said to be in such an orbit when 2011. 1. The orbit is geosynchronous. 2. The orbit is circular. 3. The orbit lies in the plane of the Earth's equator. 4. The orbit is at an altitude of 22,236 kilometers. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1, 3 and 4 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Satellites. An object orbiting around the Sun, Earth or any other colossal body is known as a satellite. The first to use of the term satellite to describe orbiting bodies was the German astronomer Johannes Kepler. There are two major types of categorization when it comes down to satellites. One is natural and the other is man-made. Natural satellites. A natural satellite is any celestial body in space that orbits around a larger body. Moons are called natural satellites because they orbit planets. Some of the examples of natural satellites are planets, moons, and comets. Jupiter has 67 natural satellites. The Earth has one permanent natural satellite, the Moon we know, which causes the tides in the sea. These have already been covered under geography PYQs. Artificial satellites. An artificial satellite is an object that people have made and launched into orbit using rockets. There are currently over 1,000 active satellites orbiting the Earth. The size, altitude, and design of a satellite depend on its purpose. The first artificial satellite was Sputnik 1, launched by the Soviet Union on the 4th of October 1957 and initiating the Soviet Sputnik program with Sergei Korolev as chief designer. Satellite orbits based on launch speed. The satellites are projectiles. The gravity's force is the only thing that affects a satellite once it is launched into the orbit. If the launch speed is slower than the escape velocity, it will fall back to the Earth. The lines A and B of the diagram represent those types of projectiles. If a projectile is shot off at an escape velocity with the perfect speed, it will fall into an orbit outside the Earth and will start revolving around the Earth. The dotted line C represents such an object. If launched at a high speed, the object will still revolve around the Earth but will now have an elliptical orbit. The dotted line D represents such an object. Major launch orbits. Centricity. An orbit generally has a particular object at its center which defines its centricity. Centric classifications. 1. Geocentric orbit. An orbit around the planet Earth, such as the Moon or artificial satellites. Currently there are approximately 1,886 artificial satellites orbiting the Earth. 2. Heliocentric orbit. An orbit around the Sun. In our solar system, all planets, comets, and asteroids are in such orbits, as are many artificial satellites and pieces of space debris. Moons, by contrast, are not in a heliocentric orbit but rather orbit their parent planet. Major launch orbits. Eccentricity. The orbital eccentricity of an astronomical object is a parameter that determines the amount by which its orbit around another body deviates from a perfect circle. On basis of eccentricity, orbits can be circular or elliptical orbit. 1. Elliptic orbit. An orbit with an eccentricity greater than 0 and less than 1 whose orbit traces the path of an ellipse. An elliptical orbit is the revolving of one object around another in an oval-shaped path called an ellipse. The planets in the solar system orbit the Sun in elliptical orbits. Many satellites orbit the Earth in elliptical orbits as does the Moon. In fact, most objects in outer space travel in an elliptical orbit. 2. Circular orbit. An orbit with eccentricity 0 or that is near 0. No satellite has an exactly circular orbit. There are several types of circular orbits and they include geostationary, polar, sun synchronous, equatorial orbit, circular orbit, elliptical orbit. Major launch orbits. Altitudes of satellites above the Earth's surface also vary. On the basis of altitudes, there are 4 common orbits. 1. Low Earth orbit LEO. Satellites located from 200 to 2,000 kilometers are said to be in LEO. For example, these orbits at 400 kilometers with a speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour and time for one orbit is about 90 minutes. 2. Medium Earth orbit MEO. Satellites located at altitude varying from 2,000 to 36000 area said to be in MEO. Most MEO satellites are at an altitude of 20,000 kilometers and time for one orbit is 12 hours. 3. Geostationary orbit GEO. They are located at 36,000 kilometers. Approx. Above the Earth. Time for one orbit is 24 hours. This is to match the rotation of the Earth so that the satellite appears to stay above the same point above the Earth's surface. 4. High Earth orbit HEO. A high Earth orbit HEO is an orbit with satellites above 36,000 kilometers. The orbital periods of such orbits are greater than 24 hours. Major launch orbits. Inclined orbit. An orbit whose inclination in reference to the equatorial plane is not 0 degrees. There are two main types of inclined orbits. Equatorial orbit. A satellite in equatorial orbit flies along the line of the Earth's equator. To get into equatorial orbit, a satellite must be launched from a place on Earth close to the equator. NASA often launches satellites aboard an Ariane rocket into equatorial orbit from French Guiana. Equatorial orbits can be useful for satellites observing tropical weather patterns, as they can monitor cloud conditions around the globe. Polar Earth orbit. An orbit that passes above or nearly above both poles of the planet on each revolution. Therefore, it has an inclination of or very close to 90 degrees. This allows the satellite to see virtually every part of the Earth as the Earth rotates underneath it and is suitable for mapping or surveillance operations. Major launch orbits. Sun synchronous orbit. An orbit which combines altitude and inclination in such a way that the satellite passes over any given point of the planet's surface at the same local solar time. Such an orbit can place a satellite in constant sunlight and is useful for imaging, spy, and weather satellites. This orbit is a special case of the polar orbit. Like a polar orbit, the satellite travels from the north to the south poles. Since there are 365 days in a year and 360 degrees in a circle, it means that the satellite has to shift its orbit by approximately 1 degree per day. Hence, orbit changes slowly in time with the planet moving around the Sun, and in time with the planet's rotation so that the spacecraft is always at the same angle to the Sun. These orbits allow a satellite to pass over a section of the Earth at the same time every day. Major launch orbits. Synchronous orbit. An orbit where the satellite has an orbital period equal to the average rotational period, Earth's 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4.091 seconds, of the body being orbited and in the same direction of rotation as that body. There are different subtypes under synchronous orbits. Major types of synchronous orbits synchronous to Earth. Geosynchronous orbit GSO. Orbits with an altitude of approximately 35,786 kilometers, 22,236 miles. Such a satellite would trace an analemma, figure 8, in the sky. Geostationary orbit GEO. A geosynchronous orbit with an inclination of 0. To an observer on the ground, the satellite would appear as a fixed point in the sky. More specifically, the time it takes for the Earth to rotate on its axis is 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds, which is the same as a satellite in a geosynchronous orbit. This makes geosynchronous satellites particularly useful for telecommunications and other remote sensing applications. Geosynchronous transfer orbit. An elliptic orbit where the perigee is at the altitude of a low Earth orbit LEO and the apogee at the altitude of a geosynchronous orbit. Major launch orbits. Synchronous to Earth. Geostationary orbit. While geosynchronous satellites can have any inclination, the key difference to geostationary orbit is the fact that they lie on the same plane as the equator. This is a special case under geosynchronous orbits. They are suitable for communication satellites or meteorological weather satellites. Geostationary transfer orbit. An elliptic orbit where the perigee is at the altitude of a low Earth orbit LEO and apogee at the altitude of a geostationary orbit. Graveyard orbit, junk orbit. An orbit a few hundred kilometers above geosynchronous that satellites are moved into at the end of their operation. Major launch orbits. Synchronous orbit. A geosynchronous orbit. A synchronous orbit around the planet Mars with an orbital period equal in length to Mars sidereal day, 24.6229 hours. Heliosynchronous orbit, a heliocentric orbit about the Sun where the satellite's orbital period matches the Sun's period of rotation. These orbits occur at a radius of 24,360 gigameters, 0.1628 astronomical units around the Sun, a little less than half of the orbital radius of Mercury. It is not same as Sun synchronous orbit. Launch of satellite. It depends on rotation of Earth around Sun. When seen from the North Pole, the Earth rotates anti-clockwise. It means in general term, Earth moves from west to east as we see the Sun rising in the east and setting in the west. The surface velocity of rotation varies from point to point on the Earth. It is about 1,600 kilometers per hour or about 460 meters in a second near the equator. The velocity gradually reduces as we move to the poles and it is practically zero there. A satellite launched from the sites near the equator towards the east direction will get an initial boost equal to the velocity of Earth's surface. This is the major reason for launching satellites in the eastward direction. But this benefit can be taken only for such satellites which are placed in geostationary orbit or which circle the Earth parallel to the equator. Such satellites are usually communication satellites or satellites used for scientific research such as this. There are other satellites which are placed in polar orbits moving across the equator in north-south direction and used mainly for mapping or sometimes for spying. Such satellites are generally launched in southward or northward direction and therefore cannot take advantage of the Earth's rotation. Another characteristic of launching satellites is that the launching stations are generally located near eastern coastlines so that, just in case of failure of the launch, the satellite does not fall on built-up hinterland. Types of satellites. Size of satellites. Satellites vary in size and mass. Some cube satellites are as small as 10 centimeters. Some communication satellites are about 7 meters long and have solar panels that extend another 50 meters. The largest artificial satellite is the International Space Station (ISS). Applications of satellites in various types. 1. Astronomical satellites. They are satellites used for observation of distant planets, galaxies, and other outer space objects. 2. Communication satellites. They are satellites stationed in space for the purpose of telecommunications. Modern communication satellites typically use geosynchronous orbits, Molniya orbits, or low Earth orbits. 3. Earth observation satellites. These are satellites intended for non-military uses such as environmental monitoring, meteorology, map making, etc. 4. Navigational satellites. They are satellites which use radio time signals transmitted to enable mobile receivers on the ground to determine their exact location. The relatively clear line of sight between the satellites and receivers on the ground, combined with ever-improving electronics, allows satellite navigation systems to measure location to accuracies on the order of a few meters in real time. 5. Killer satellites. They are satellites that are designed to destroy enemy warheads, satellites, and other space assets. 6. Weather satellites. They are primarily used to monitor Earth's weather and climate. 7. Space stations. They are artificial orbital structures that are designed for human beings to live on in outer space. A space station is distinguished from other crewed spacecraft by its lack of major propulsion or landing facilities. Space stations are designed for medium-term living in orbit, for periods of weeks, months, or even years. Q. Assertion A. Artificial satellites are always launched from the Earth in the eastward direction. Reason R. The Earth rotates from west to east and so the satellite attains the escape velocity. 2002. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not a correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Answer. C. Q. Consider the following statements. 2005. 1. A geostationary satellite is at an approximate height of 10,000 kilometers. 2. FM transmission of music is of very good quality because the atmospheric or man-made noises which are generally frequency variations can do little harm. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer. B. Q. Satellites used for telecommunication relay are kept in a geostationary orbit. A satellite is said to be in such an orbit when 2011. 1. The orbit is geosynchronous. 2. The orbit is circular. 3. The orbit lies in the plane of the Earth's equator. 4. The orbit is at an altitude of 22,236 kilometers. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1, 3 and 4 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Answer A. Q. Consider the following statements in respect of a jet engine and a rocket. 2008. 1. A jet engine uses the surrounding air for its oxygen supply and so is unsuitable for motion in space. 2. A rocket carries its own supply of oxygen in the gas form and fuel. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Rocket. A rocket carries its own supply of oxygen, oxidizer tank, and fuel, which may be solid or liquid for combustion. This makes rocket engine less energy efficient when compared to jet engines. It burns fuel and ejects this mass to gain momentum. They work on principle of Newton's third law of motion. A rocket is generally much more powerful and wasteful than a jet engine. Jet engine. A jet engine is a machine that converts energy-rich liquid fuel into a powerful pushing force called thrust. The thrust from one or more engines pushes a plane forward, forcing air past its scientifically shaped wings to create an upward force called lift that powers it into the sky. A jet engine utilizes oxygen from the atmosphere for combustion. This air is burned with the fuel within the engine. The resulting large mass of gas is ejected towards the rear at high velocity, which both propels the airplane forward and gets more air sucked into the engine. A jet engine has three main processes. 1. Compression. It increases the pressure of the air trapped inside the chamber. 2. Combustion. It increases the temperature of the air fuel mixture by releasing heat energy from the fuel. 3. Exhaust. It increases the velocity of the exhaust gases, thereby powering the vehicle. Types of jet engine. 1. Turbojet. Turbojet engine is an air-breathing jet engine. This is one of the most common types of jet engines. It is still widely used in airplanes. 2. Ramjet. High-speed forward motion is used to compress the air, no compressor. Fuel is injected into the combustion chamber where it mixes with the hot compressed air and ignites. The average speed of Ramjet is 3 to 6 Mach. 3. Scramjet. Here also, the high-speed forward motion is used to compress the air, no compressor, but it is an improvement over the Ramjet engine as it efficiently operates at hypersonic speeds and allows supersonic combustion. Speed is greater than 6 Mach, 6 times the speed of sound. The first experimental mission of ISRO's Scramjet engine towards the realization of an air-breathing propulsion system was successfully conducted from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shah, Sriharikota. Scramjet engine can be used to augment ISRO's reusable launch vehicle RLV. 4. Dual mode Ramjet DMRJ type of jet engine where Ramjet transforms into Scramjet over Mach 4 to 8 range. Therefore, it can operate both in subsonic and supersonic combustion modes. Types of rocket engine. Vikas engine. Unlike the previous 4 jet engines which cannot be used in space, this is used in rockets. The Vikas, a portmanteau from initials of Vikram Ambala Sarabhai, is a family of liquid-fueled rocket engines conceptualized and designed by the Liquid Propulsion Systems Center in the 1970s. The early production Vikas engines used some imported French components which were later replaced by domestically produced equivalents. It is used in the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle (PSLV) and the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle (GSLV) series of expendable launch vehicles for space launch use. Vikas engine is used to power the second stage PSLV, boosters and second stage of GSLV Mark 1 and 2 and the first stage of GSLV Mark 3. The propellant loading for Vikas engine in PSLV, GSLV Mark 1 and 2 is 40 tons, while in GSLV Mark 3 it is 55 tons. The engine uses about 40 metric tons of UDMHS fuel and nitrogen tetroxide (N2O4) as oxidizer with a maximum thrust of 725 kilonewtons. An upgraded version of the engine has a chamber pressure of 58.5 bars as compared to 52.5 bars in the older version and produces a thrust of 800 kilonewtons. Q. Consider the following statements in respect of a jet engine and a rocket. 2008. 1. A jet engine uses the surrounding air for its oxygen supply and so is unsuitable for motion in space. 2. A rocket carries its own supply of oxygen in the gas form and fuel. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer. A. Q. Cryogenic engines find applications in 1995. Submarine propulsion. B. Frost-free refrigerators. C. Rocket technology. D. Research in superconductivity. Cryogenic engine. A cryogenic rocket engine is a rocket engine that uses a cryogenic fuel or oxidizer, that is, its fuel or oxidizer, or both are gases liquefied and stored at very low temperatures. Notably, these engines were one of the main factors of NASA's success in reaching the moon by the Saturn V rocket. Currently, 6 countries have successfully developed and deployed cryogenic rocket engines, i.e. US, Russia, Japan, France, India, and China. The name of Indian variants is CE-7.5 and CE-20. Construction. The major components of a cryogenic rocket engine are the combustion chamber, thrust chamber, pyrotechnic initiator, fuel injector, fuel cryofumes, oxidizer cryofumes, gas turbine, cryovalves, regulators, the fuel tanks, and rocket engine nozzle. Fuel. Cryogenic engine makes use of liquid oxygen, LOX, and liquid hydrogen, LH2, as propellants which liquefy at 183 deg C and -253 deg C respectively. LOX and LH2 are stored in their respective tanks. From there they are pumped into turbopump by individual booster pumps to ensure high flow rate of propellants inside the combustion thrust chamber. Cryogenic technology applications. Rocket engine technology. Supercooling electromagnets. Cryogenic freezing of food for preservation and storage. Preserve experimental samples in gene banks and seed banks. Superconductivity. Medical field. Q. Cryogenic engines find applications in 1995. Submarine propulsion. B. Frost-free refrigerators. C. Rocket technology. D. Research in superconductivity. Answer C. Q. ISRO successfully conducted a rocket test using cryogenic engines in the year 2007. Where is the test base used for the purpose? Located. 2008. Balasore. B. Thiruvananthapuram. C. Mahendragiri. D. Karwar. About ISRO. The Indian Space Research (ISRO) is the space agency of the Government of India headquartered in the city of Bengaluru. Vision: harness space technology for national development while pursuing space science research and planetary exploration. Indian National Committee for Space Research (INCOSPAR) was established by Jawaharlal Nehru under the day in 1962. With the urging of scientist Vikram Sarabhai recognizing the need in space research, INCOSPAR grew into ISRO in 1969 also under the day. In 1972, Government of India set up a space commission and the Department of Space (DOS), bringing ISRO under the DOS. Important centers. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center (VSSC), Thiruvananthapuram, is the lead center of ISRO responsible for the design and development of launch vehicle technology. Liquid Propulsion Systems Center (LPSC) is the center for design, development and realization of liquid propulsion stages for ISRO's launch vehicles. LPSC activities and facilities are spread across its two campuses, namely LPSC, Velamala, Thiruvananthapuram, and LPSC, Bengaluru, Karnataka. ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network (ISTRAC), Bengaluru is entrusted with the major responsibility to provide tracking support for all the satellite and launch vehicle missions of ISRO. Space Applications Center (SAC) at Ahmedabad. The core competence of the center lies in development of spaceborne and airborne instruments, payloads, and their applications for national development and societal benefits. ISRO Propulsion Complex (IPRC) Mahendragiri is equipped with the state-of-the-art facilities necessary for realizing the cutting-edge propulsion technology projects for the Indian space program. The activities carried out include assembly, integration, and testing of Earth-storable propellant engines, cryogenic engines, and stages for launch vehicles. Master Control Facility (MCF) at Hassan in Karnataka and Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh monitors and controls all the geostationary, geosynchronous satellites of ISRO, namely INSAT, GSAT, Kalpana, and IRNSS series of satellites. Q. ISRO successfully conducted a rocket test using cryogenic engines in the year 2007. Where is the test base used for the purpose? Located. 2008. Balasore. B. Thiruvananthapuram. C. Mahendragiri. D. Karwar. Answer C. Q. With reference to India's satellite launch vehicles, consider the following statements. 2018. 1. PSLVs launched the satellites useful for Earth resources monitoring, whereas GSLVs are designed mainly to launch communication satellites. 2. Satellites launched by PSLV appear to remain permanently fixed in the same position in the sky, as viewed from a particular location on Earth. 3. GSLV Mk3 is a 4-stage launch L vehicle with the first and third stages L using solid rocket motors, and the second and fourth stages using liquid rocket engines. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only. B. 2 and 3. C. 1 and 2. D. 3 only. Satellite launch vehicles overview. Launches or launch vehicles are used to carry spacecraft to space. India has two operational launches: Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle (PSLV) and Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle (GSLV). Earlier SLV-3 and ASLV were in use. The future prospects include GSLV Mk3 and RLVTD. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, located in Thiruvananthapuram, is responsible for the design and development of launch vehicles. Liquid Propulsion Systems Center and ISRO Propulsion Complex, located at Velamala and Mahendragiri respectively, develop the liquid and cryogenic stages for these launch vehicles. Satish Dhawan Space Center (SDSC), Shah, Sriharikota, the spaceport of India, is responsible for providing launch-based infrastructure for the Indian space program. This center has the facilities for solid propellant processing, static testing of solid motors, launch vehicle integration and launch operations, range operations comprising telemetry, tracking and command network and mission control center. It houses two operational launch pads from where all GSLV and PSLV flights take place. Satellite launch vehicles evolution. Satellite launch vehicles (PSLV) overview. Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle (PSLV) is the third-generation launch vehicle of India. It is the first Indian launch vehicle to be equipped with liquid stages. After its first successful launch in October 1994, PSLV emerged as the reliable and versatile workhorse launch vehicle of India with 39 consecutively successful missions by June 2017. During 1994-2017 period, the vehicle has launched 48 Indian satellites and 209 satellites for customers from abroad. Besides, the vehicle successfully launched two spacecraft, Chandrayaan-1 in 2008 and Mars Orbiter spacecraft in 2013 that later traveled to Moon and Mars respectively. It has successfully launched PSLV-C-45, MSAT mission, PSLV-C-44, HUSIS mission, IRNSS-1I, CARTOS-82 in last 1 year. Satellite launch vehicles PSLV application. PSLV is designed mainly to deliver the Earth observation or remote sensing satellites with lift-off mass of up to about 1750 kg to sun-synchronous circular polar orbits of 600-900 km altitude. Apart from launching the remote sensing satellites to sun-synchronous polar orbits, the PSLV is also used to launch the satellites of lower lift-off mass of up to about 1400 kg to the elliptical geosynchronous transfer orbit (GTO). PSLV technical specifications. PSLV is a 4-stage launch vehicle with first and third stage using solid rocket motors and second and fourth stages using liquid rocket engines. It also uses strap-on motors to augment the thrust provided by the first stage, and depending on the number of these strap-on boosters, the PSLV is classified into its various versions like core alone version, PSLV-CA, PSLV-G, or PSLV-XL variants. Satellite launch vehicles GSLV. Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, abbreviated as GSLV, is an expendable launch system operated by the Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO). GSLV has been used in 13 launches to date, since its first launch in 2001 to the most recent on December 19, 2018, carrying the GS-87A military communication satellite. The Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle (GSLV) was primarily developed to launch INSAT class of satellites into geosynchronous transfer orbits. Presently, GSLV is being used for launching GS-80 series of satellites. It has two main variants, i.e., GSLV Mki and GSLV Mk2. GSLV Mk3 is not a part of this. The first development flight of the GSLV Mki configuration was launched on the 18th of April 2001 was a failure as the payload failed to reach the intended orbit parameters. GSLV Mki had 2 out of 7 successful launches while GSLV Mk2 had 6 out of 7 successful launches. Satellite launch vehicles GSLV variants. GSLV rockets using the Russian cryogenic stage (CS) are designated as the GSLV Mki, while versions using the indigenous cryogenic upper stage (CUS) are designated the GSLV Mk2. All GSLV launches have been conducted from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. GSLV Mki. The first developmental flight of GSLV Mki had a 129-ton S-125 first stage and was capable of launching around 1500 kg into geostationary transfer orbit. The chamber pressure in all liquid engines were enhanced, which allowed GSLV to carry an additional 300 kg of payload. The fourth operational flight of GSLV Mki, GSLV-F06, has a 15-ton propellant loading in the third stage called the C-15. GSLV Mk2. This variant uses an Indian cryogenic engine, the CE-7.5, and is capable of launching 2500 kg into geostationary transfer orbit. For launches from 2018, a 6% increased thrust version of the Vikas engine was developed. It was demonstrated on the 29th of March 2018 in the GSAT-6A launch second stage. It will be used for the 4 Vikas engines first stage boosters on future missions. GSAT-7A was last launched with this launcher. Satellite Launch Vehicles GSLV application. The GSLV is designed mainly to deliver the communication satellites to the highly elliptical, typically 250 by 36,000 km geosynchronous transfer orbit (GTO). Due to their geosynchronous nature, the satellites in these orbits appear to remain permanently fixed in the same position in the sky, as viewed from a particular location on Earth, thus avoiding the need of a tracking ground antenna and hence are useful for the communication applications. GSLV technical specifications. GSLV is capable of placing 2-ton class of satellites with INSAT and GS-80 into geosynchronous transfer orbit (GTO) and a payload of 5,000 kilograms to low Earth orbit and a payload of 2,500 kilograms to GTO. It has three stages. The first stage is solid propellant motor stage. The second stage is liquid propellant stage, and the third one is cryogenic stage with uses liquid hydrogen as fuel and liquid oxygen as oxidizer based on Ce7.5, which has a staged combustion cycle. The 4 liquid engine strap-ons used in GSLV are heavier derivatives of PSLV's PS2 and use one Vikas engine each. Satellite Launch Vehicles GSLV Mk3. GSLV Mk3 is a 3-stage heavy lift launch vehicle developed by ISRO. The first experimental flight of LVM-3, the LVM-3X scare mission lifted off from Sriharikota on December 18, 2014 and successfully tested the atmospheric phase of flight. Crew module atmospheric re-entry experiment was also carried out in this flight. The module re-entered, deployed its parachutes as planned and splashed down in the Bay of Bengal. The first developmental flight of GSLV Mk3, the GSLV MKIID-1 successfully placed GS-80-19 satellite to a geosynchronous transfer orbit (GTO) on June 5, 2017 from SDSC Shah, Sriharikota. GSLV Ki-D2, the second developmental flight of GSLV Ki successfully launched GS-80-29, a high-throughput communication satellite on November 14, 2018 from Satish Dhawan Space Center Shah, Sriharikota. Satellite Launch Vehicles. GSLV Mk3 technical specifications. GSLV Mk3 is designed to carry 4-ton class of satellites into geosynchronous transfer orbit (GTO) or about 10 tons to low Earth orbit (LEO), which is about twice the capability of GSLV Mk2. It is designed to launch satellites into geostationary orbit and is intended as a launch vehicle for crewed missions under the Indian Human Spaceflight Program. The GSLV-3 has a higher payload capacity than the similarly named GSLV. GSLV Mk3 design. The first stage consists of two S200 solid motors, also known as large solid boosters (LSB), attached to the core stage. The S200 booster uses an HTPB-based propellant. It is the largest solid fuel booster after the Space Shuttle SRBs and Ariane 5 SRBs. The second stage, designated L110, is a liquid fuel stage that contains unsymmetrical dihydrogen, UDMH, and nitrogen tetroxide N2O. It is powered by two Vikas 2 engines. The cryogenic upper stage, designated C25, contains propellant LOX and LH2. Satellite Launch Vehicles RLVTD. Reusable Launch Vehicle Technology Demonstrator (RLVTD) is one of the most technologically challenging endeavors of ISRO towards developing essential technologies for a fully reusable launch vehicle to enable low-cost access to space. The technology, when developed completely, would launch spacecraft, including satellites, into space and re-enter the Earth's atmosphere withstanding extreme pressure and heat conditions and land in unintended spot, helping to cut costs on launch vehicles substantially. The configuration of RLVTD is similar to that of an aircraft and combines the complexity of both launch vehicles and aircraft. The WINS RLVTD has been configured to act as a flying test bed to evaluate various technologies, namely hypersonic flight, autonomous landing, and powered cruise flight. In future, this vehicle will be scaled up to become the first stage of India's reusable two-stage orbital launch vehicle. RLVTD consists of a fuselage, body, a nose cap, double delta wings, and twin vertical tails. It also features symmetrically placed active control surfaces called elements and rudder. Satellite Launch Vehicles RLVTD objectives: to test the characterization of the aerothermodynamics of hypersonic flights, to test the autonomous mission management of hypersonic vehicles, to test the necessary re-entry technology for the vehicles, to make India a competitive space player globally in terms of cheap, affordable satellite launches, to help India to join select League of Nations, only USA, Columbia, Challenger, Discovery, Endeavour, Atlantis, Russia, Soyuz, and China, Shenzhou having their own manned space flights. RLVTD achievements. RLVTD was successfully flight tested on May 23, 2016 from SDSC Shah, Sriharikota, validating the critical technologies such as autonomous navigation, guidance and control, reusable thermal protection system, and re-entry mission management. Q. With reference to India's satellite launch vehicles, consider the following statements. 2018. 1. PSLVs launch the satellites useful for Earth resources monitoring, whereas GSLVs are designed mainly to launch communication satellites. 2. Satellites launched by PSLV appear to remain permanently fixed in the same position in the sky, as viewed from a particular location on Earth. 3. GSLV Mk3 is a 4-stage launch L vehicle with the first and third stages L using solid rocket motors, and the second and fourth stages using liquid rocket engines. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3. C. 1 and 2. D. 3 only. Answer A. Question 8. Q. Consider the following statements. 1996. A person in a spaceship located halfway between the Earth and the Sun will notice that they 1. Sky is jet black. 2. Stars do not twinkle. 3. Temperature outside the spaceship is much higher than that on the surface of the Earth. A. 3 alone is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 1 and 3 are correct. D. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Question 9. Q. Electrically charged particles from space traveling at speeds of several hundred km can severely harm living beings if they reach the surface of the Earth. What prevents them from reaching the surface of the Earth? 2012. The Earth's magnetic field diverts them towards its poles. B. Ozone layer around the Earth reflects them back to outer space. C. Moisture in the upper layers of atmosphere prevents them from reaching the surface of the Earth. D. None of the statements A, B, and C given above is correct. Question 10. Q. Low temperatures cryogenics find application in 1999. Space travel, surgery and magnetic levitation. B. Surgery, magnetic levitation and telemetry. C. Space travel, surgery and telemetry. D. Space travel, magnetic levitation and telemetry. Prelim Special. Previous year questions. Science and Technology. Space Technology. Questions from Science and Technology. Science and Technology. Topics to be covered. Number of question asked from 1995 to 2018. Space 28. Defense 12. Biotechnology 23. Nuclear energy and subatomic particles 14. Diseases in news 20. Information technology and communication networks 13. Latest technology and developments. Artificial intelligence, robotics, nanotechnology, etc. 16. Current affairs test series. 10 tests equals 1000 MCQs. Detailed downloadable explanation. Comprehensive coverage of current affairs January 2018 to May 2019. Starting the 1st of April 2019. 1,499 rupees only, inclusive of GST. Chapter subtopics. Space. Basic facts. Satellites and space technology. Important Indian satellites. International space missions Q1 to 10. Q11 to 20. Q. INS-83E, India's communication satellite, was launched in 2003 from 2004. French Guiana. B. Seychelles. C. Mauritius. D. Mauritania. Q. Consider the following statements in respect of India Advanced Satellite INS-84A, 2006. 1. INS-84A was launched in December 2005 from New Mexico. 2. The European commercial launch service provider Arianespace was associated with the launch of INS-84A. 3. Tata Sky, a digital cable service provider, is associated with DTH television broadcasting service from INS-84A. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1, 2 and 3. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Q. Consider the following statements. 2003. 1. India launched its first full-fledged meteorological satellite, METS-80, in September 2002. 2. For the first time, the space vehicle PSLV-C4 carried a payload of more than 1,000 kilograms into a geosynchronous orbit. Which of these statements are correct? Only 1. B. Only 2. See both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Important Indian satellites INSAT series. The Indian National Satellite System or INSAT is a series of multipurpose geostationary satellites. INSAT is the largest domestic communication system in the Asia-Pacific region. It is a joint venture of the Department of Space, Department of Telecommunications, India Meteorological Department, All India Radio and Doordarshan. The Indian National Satellite INSAT system was commissioned with the launch of INS-81B in August 1983. INSAT-1A, the first satellite was launched in April 1982 but could not fulfill the mission. Of the 24 satellites launched in the course of the INSAT program, 11 are still in operation. Application. They are launched by ISRO to satisfy the telecommunications, broadcasting, meteorology, and search and rescue operations. INSAT satellites provide transponders in various bands C, S, extended C and Ku to serve the television and communication needs of India. Important satellites. Satellite payload DMAS. Launched from Launch Vehicle Type Orbit. INSAT 2E 2550 kilograms. Kourou, French Guiana Ariane Communication and Weather Satellite. Geostationary Orbit. INSAT 3A 2650 kilograms. Kourou, French Guiana Ariane used for communication, weather forecast and search and rescue operations. Geosynchronous Transfer Orbit. INSAT 3E replaced by GS-8016. 2775 kilograms. Kourou, French Guiana Ariane 5. Communication Geosynchronous Transfer Orbit. Kalpana 1 or METSAT 1. 1040 kilograms Sriharikota PSLV-4 Meteorological Satellite Geosynchronous Transfer Orbit. Important satellites. Satellite payload DMAS. Launched from Launch Vehicle Type Orbit. INSAT 4A 3081 kilograms. Kourou, French Guiana Ariane 5. Communication and Weather Satellite. Tata Sky, a joint venture between the Tata Group and Star, uses INS-84A for distributing their DTH service, Geostationary Orbit. INSAT 4CR 2130 kilograms. Sriharikota GSLV-F04. Communication Satellite Geosynchronous Orbit. Important Indian satellites GS-80 satellites. The GS-80 satellites are India's indigenously developed communication satellites. The GS-80 series of geosynchronous satellites is a system developed by ISRO with an objective to make India self-reliant in broadcasting services. They are used for digital audio, data and video broadcasting. As of the 5th of December 2018, 20 GS-80 satellites of ISRO have been launched, out of which 14 satellites are currently in service. The new generation INS-80s are now named as GS-80s, geosynchronous satellites. In fact, a few of newer INS-80s got renamed to GS-80s like INS-84E is now GS-86 and INS-84G is now GS-88. The primary purpose of both the INSAT and GS-80 series is communication and broadcasting services. However, one difference between GS-80s and INS-80s is that GS-80s are pure communication satellites while a few of the INS-80s were hybrid satellites. Important satellites. Satellite payload mass. Launched from Launch Vehicle Type Orbit. GS-81 failed 1540 kilograms Sriharikota GSLV-MKID-1. Communication Satellite Geosynchronous Orbit. GS-86. INSAT 4E 2132 kilograms Sriharikota GSLV-MK2D6. Communication Satellite Geosynchronous Transfer Orbit. GS-86A 2140 kilograms Sriharikota GSLV-MK2F08. Communication Satellite Geosynchronous Transfer Orbit. GS-87 2650 kilograms Kourou, Guyana. Ariane 5 Defense Communication Satellite for Indian Navy Geostationary Orbit. GS-87A. Also called Angry Bird 2250 kilograms Sriharikota GSLV-MK2F11. Advanced Military. Communication Satellite Geostationary Orbit. Important satellites. Satellite payload mass. Launched from Launch Vehicle Type Orbit. GS-80 29 3423 kilograms Sriharikota GSLV-MK3D-2. Communication Satellite to provide high-speed internet to rural areas Geosynchronous Transfer Orbit. GS-80 11 5454 kilograms Kourou, Guyana. Ariane 5 heaviest communication satellite built by ISRO. Geosynchronous Transfer Orbit. GS-80 31 2536 kilograms Kourou, Guyana. Ariane 5 communication satellite provide DTH television services, connectivity to VSATs for ATM, stock exchange, digital satellite news gathering DSNG, and e-governance. Applications. Geosynchronous Transfer Orbit Q, INS-83E, India's communication satellite, was launched in 2003 from 2004. A French Guiana, B, Seychelles. C, Mauritius, D, Mauritania. Answer A. Q. Consider the following statements in respect of India Advanced Satellite INS-84A, 2006. 1. INS-84A was launched in December 2005 from New Mexico. 2. The European commercial launch service provider Arianespace was associated with the launch of INS-84A. 3. Tata Sky, a digital cable service provider, is associated with DTH television broadcasting service from INS-84A. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1, 2 and 3. B, 1 and 2 only. C, 2 and 3 only. D, 1 and 3 only. Answer, C. Q. Consider the following statements. 2003. 1. India launched its first full-fledged meteorological satellite, METS-80, in September 2002. 2. For the first time, the space vehicle PSLV-C4 carried a payload of more than 1000 kilograms into a geosynchronous orbit. Which of these statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer, C. Q. In which of the following activities are Indian remote sensing IRS satellites used? 2015. 1. Assessment of crop productivity. 2. Locating groundwater resources. 3. Mineral exploration. 4. Telecommunications. 5. Traffic study. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 4 and 5 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Q. Consider the following statements. The satellite OCEANS-82 launched by India helps in 1. Estimating the water vapor content in the atmosphere. 2. Predicting the onset of monsoons. 3. Monitoring the pollution of coastal waters. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Important Indian satellites. Earth monitoring satellites. Following the successful demonstration flights of BHASK-HARE-1 and Bhaskara 2 satellites launched in 1979 and 1981, respectively, India began to develop the indigenous Indian remote sensing IRS satellite program to support the national economy in the areas of agriculture, water resources, disaster management, urban planning, forestry and ecology, geology, watersheds, marine fisheries and coastal management. Starting with IRS-1A in 1988, ISRO has launched many operational remote sensing satellites. Today, India has one of the largest constellations of remote sensing satellites in operation. Currently, 13 operational satellites are in sun-synchronous orbit: RESOURCES-81, 2, 2 ACARTOS-81, 2, 2A, 2B, RIS-81 and 2, OCEANS-82, Meghatropics, Saral and SCATS-81, and 4 in geostationary ORBIT-INS-83D, Kalpana and INSAT 3A, INSAT-3 drive. Varieties of instruments have been flown on board these satellites to provide necessary data. The data from these satellites are used for several applications covering agriculture, water resources, urban planning, rural development, mineral prospecting, environment, forestry, ocean resources and disaster management. Important satellites. Satellite payload mass. Launched from Launch Vehicle Type and Purpose Orbit. Bhaskara 1 442 kilograms Volgograd, Russia. CI. Intercosmos Remote Sensing Forestry and Hydrology. Low Earth Orbit. Rohini 38 kilograms Sriharikota, India. SLV-3 Experimental Remote Sensing Satellite Low Earth Orbit. IRS IA 975 kilograms Baikonur Cosmodrome. Kazakhstan. Vostok Remote Sensing Operations Sun Synchronous Polar Orbit. SROSS 2 150 kilograms Sriharikota ASLV Earth Observation Satellite Unsuccessful. Kartosit 2 680 kilograms Sriharikota PSLV 7 Advanced Remote Sensing Satellite Sun Synchronous. Polar Orbit Resources 2 1206 kilograms Sriharikota PSLV 16 Advanced Remote Sensing Sun Synchronous Polar Orbit. Important satellites. Satellite payload mass. Launched from. Launch vehicle type and purpose orbit. OceanSat 2 960 kilograms Sriharikota PSLV C14 data collection. Study surface winds and ocean surface. Study of chlorophyll concentrations. Monitoring of phytoplankton. Blooms. Study of atmospheric aerosols and suspended sediments in the water. Sun synchronous polar orbit. Megha. Trofax 1000 LKG Sriharikota PSLV C18 Indo-French joint satellite mission for studying the water cycle and energy exchanges in the tropics. Sun synchronous polar orbit. Important satellites. Satellite payload mass. Launched from. Launch vehicle type and purpose orbit. RIS-81 radar imaging. Satellite. 1858 kilograms Sriharikota PSLV C19 active microwave remote sensing provides cloud penetration and day-night imaging capability enable applications in agriculture, particularly paddy monitoring in Kharif season and management of natural disasters like flood and cyclone. Sun synchronous polar orbit. RIS-82 radar imaging. Satellite. 300 kilograms Sriharikota PSLV CAC-12. Disaster management operations. Sun synchronous polar orbit. Important satellites. Satellite payload mass. Launched from. Launch vehicle type and purpose orbit. Saral satellite with Argos and ALTIK Saral. 407 kilograms Sriharikota PSLV C20 Indo-French satellite mission for oceanographic studies. Saral performs altimetric measurements designed to study ocean circulation and sea surface elevation. Polar sun synchronous. Important satellites. Satellite payload mass. Launched from. Launch vehicle type orbit. SCATSAT-1. Scatterometer satellite 1. 371 kilograms Sriharikota PSLV C35 weather forecasting, cyclone prediction and tracking services to India. Sun synchronous polar orbit. Resources -2 A 1235 kilograms Sriharikota PSLV C36 resource monitoring satellite. Sun synchronous polar orbit. Cartosat -2 F 710 kilograms Sriharikota PSLV C40 advanced remote sensing satellite. Sun synchronous polar orbit. HUSIS hyper. Spectral imaging satellite. 380 kg Sriharikota PSLV C43 study the Earth's surface in the visible, near infrared and shortwave infrared electromagnetic spectrum. Sun synchronous polar orbit. Recent launches. Q. In which of the following activities are Indian remote sensing IRS satellites used? 2015. 1. Assessment of crop productivity. 2. Locating groundwater resources. 3. Mineral exploration. 4. Telecommunications. 5. Traffic study. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 4 and 5 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Answer A. Q. Consider the following statements. The satellite OCEANS-82 launched by India helps in 1. Estimating the water vapor content in the atmosphere. 2. Predicting the onset of monsoons. 3. Monitoring the pollution of coastal waters. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer D. Q. With reference to ASTROSAT, the astronomical observatory launched by India, which of the following statements are correct? 1. Other than USA and Russia, India is the only country to have launched a similar observatory into space. 2. ASTROSAT is a 2,000 kilogram satellite placed in an orbit at 1,650 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Important Indian satellites. ASTROSAT. ASTROSAT is the first dedicated Indian astronomy mission aimed at studying celestial sources in X-ray, optical and UV spectral bands simultaneously. The payloads cover the energy bands of ultraviolet, near infrared, limited optical and X-ray regime 0.3 kept to 100 kilo electron volts. One of the unique features of ASTROSAT mission is that it enables the simultaneous multi-wavelength observations of various astronomical objects with a single satellite. ASTROSAT with a lift-off mass of 1,515 kilograms was launched on September 28, 2015 into a 650 kilometers orbit inclined at an angle of 6 to the equator by PSLV C30 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. It joined the elite list of countries having its own space observatory after the US, Japan, Russia and Europe. Important Indian satellites. ASTROSAT. The scientific objectives of ASTROSAT mission are to understand high-energy processes in binary star systems containing neutron stars and black holes. Estimate magnetic fields of neutron stars. Study star birth regions and high-energy processes in star systems lying beyond our galaxy. Detect new briefly bright X-ray sources in the sky. Perform a limited deep field survey of the universe in the ultraviolet region Q. With reference to ASTROSAT, the astronomical observatory launched by India, which of the following statements are correct? 1. Other than USA and Russia, India is the only country to have launched a similar observatory into space. 2. ASTROSAT is a 2,000 kilogram satellite placed in an orbit at 1,650 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer D. Q. With reference to the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System (IRNSS), consider the following statements. 2018. 1. IRNSS has 3 satellites in geostationary and 4 satellites in geosynchronous orbits. 2. IRNSS covers entire India and about 5,500 square km beyond its borders. 3. India will have its own satellite navigation system with full global coverage by the middle of 2019. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. None. Important Indian satellites. Satellite navigation. Satellite navigation service is an emerging satellite-based system with commercial and strategic applications. To meet the civil aviation requirements, ISRO is working jointly with Airport Authority of India in establishing the GPS-aided geo-augmented navigation (GAGAN) system to meet the user requirements of the positioning, navigation and timing services. Based on the indigenous system, ISRO is establishing a regional satellite navigation system called Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System (IRNSS). Important Indian satellites. GAGAN. A joint effort by the ISRO and Airports Authority of India for civil aviation purposes. It is aimed to help air traffic control and helps pilots fly land aircrafts in bad weather. It depends on GPS, American Navigation System. India has become fourth nation after US, Europe and Japan to have interoperable satellite-based augmentation system (SBS) and first in the world to serve the equatorial region. GAGAN. Working pattern. It works with the help of 3 geostationary satellites WIS, GS88, GS8010 and GS8015. It works by augmenting and relaying data from GPS satellites with the help of augmentation satellites and Earth-based reference stations. Gagan system corrects any anomalies in the position data and gives accurate routes, landing guidance and time-saving information to the pilots. The system is available for the member states of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SAARC). It will be able to help pilots to navigate in the Indian airspace by an accuracy of 3 meters. Important Indian satellites Gagan. Important Indian satellites IRNSS. This is an independent Indian satellite-based positioning system for critical national applications. The main objective is to provide reliable position, navigation and timing services over India and its neighborhood to provide fairly good accuracy to the user. The IRNSS will provide basically 2 types of services. Standard Positioning Service (SPS). Restricted Service (RS). To date, ISRO has built a total of 9 satellites in the IRNSS series, of which 8 are currently in orbit. 3 of these satellites are in geostationary orbit (GEO), while the remaining in geosynchronous orbits. GSO, that maintain an inclination of 29 degrees to the equatorial plane. The IRNSS constellation was named as NAVIC, Navigation with Indian Constellation, by the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and dedicated to the nation on the occasion of the successful launch of the IRNSS-1G satellite. The 8 operational satellites in the IRNSS series, namely IRNSS-1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F, 1G and 1I were launched on July 2, 2013, April 4, 2014, October 16, 2014, March 28, 2015, January 20, 2016, March 10, 2016, April 28, 2016, and April 12, 2018 respectively. The PSLV-39 ANS-1H being unsuccessful, the satellite could not reach orbit. Important Indian satellites IRNSS. Important Indian satellites IRNSS. ANS-1H and IRNSS-1I were placed in geosynchronous orbit to replace failed IRNSS-1A. Q. With reference to the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System (IRNSS), consider the following statements 2018. 1. IRNSS has 3 satellites in geostationary and 4 satellites in geosynchronous orbits. 2. IRNSS covers entire India and about 5,500 square km beyond its borders. 3. India will have its own satellite navigation system with full global coverage by the middle of 2019. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. None. Answer D. Q. Consider the following statements. The Mangalyaan launched by ISRO 2016. 1. Is also called the Mars Orbiter mission. 2. Made India the second country to have a spacecraft orbit the Mars after USA. 3. Made India the only country to be successful in making its spacecraft orbit the Mars in its very first attempt. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. India's space mission Mars Orbiter mission. The Mars Orbiter mission, MOM, also called Mangalyaan, is a spacecraft orbiting Mars since the 24th of September 2014. It was launched on November 5, 2013 by the Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO). It is India's first interplanetary mission and ISRO has become the 4th space agency to reach Mars after the Soviet space program (NASA) and the European Space Agency. It is the first Asian nation to reach Mars orbit and the first nation to do so on its first attempt. MAR's mission country space agency. Mangalyaan India ISRO Curiosity US NASA Mariner US NASA Viking US NASA Odyssey European Union is a Mars Express European Union is a Beagle European Union is a Spirit US NASA Opportunity US NASA Phoenix US NASA Maven US NASA Insight Mission US NASA Axomas Trace Gas Orbiter European Union and Russia ISRO and ROSCOS MOSQ. Consider the following statements. The Mangalyaan launched by ISRO 2016. 1. Is also called the Mars Orbiter mission. 2. Made India the second country to have a spacecraft orbit the Mars after USA. 3. Made India the only country to be successful in making its spacecraft orbit the Mars in its very first attempt. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer C. India's space mission Chandrayaan-1. Chandrayaan-1 was India's first lunar probe. It was launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation in October 2008 and operated until August 2009. The mission included a lunar orbiter and an impactor. India launched the spacecraft using a PSLV-XL rocket, serial number C11 on the 22nd of October 2008 at 052 coordinated universal time from Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota, about 80 kilometers 50 miles north of Chennai. The vehicle was inserted into lunar orbit on the 8th of November 2008. The probe hit near the crater Shackleton, ejecting subsurface soil that could be analyzed for the presence of lunar water ice. The location of impact was named as Jawahar Point. The estimated cost for the project was 386 crore rupees. On the 2nd of July 2016, NASA used ground-based radar systems to relocate Chandrayaan-1 in its lunar orbit, more than 7 years after it shut down. India's space mission Chandrayaan-1. The mission had the following stated scientific objectives: to design, develop, launch and orbit a spacecraft around the moon using an Indian-made launch vehicle. To conduct scientific experiments using instruments on the spacecraft which would yield data for the preparation of a 3-dimensional atlas with high spatial and altitude resolution of 5 to 10 m or 60-33 feet of both the near and far sides of the moon and for chemical and mineralogical mapping of the entire lunar surface at high spatial resolution, mapping particularly the chemical elements magnesium, aluminum, silicon, calcium, iron, titanium, radon, uranium and thorium. To increase scientific knowledge. To test the impact of a sub-satellite on the surface of the moon as a forerunner for future soft landing missions. India's space mission CHANDRYAN-2. Chandrayaan-2, India's second mission to the moon, is a totally indigenous mission comprising of an orbiter, lander, Vikram, and rover Pragyan. After reaching the 100 km lunar orbit, the lander housing the rover will separate from the orbiter. After a controlled descent, the lander will soft land on the lunar surface at a specified site and deploy a rover. The Chandrayaan-2 weighing around 3,290 kilograms and would orbit around the moon and perform the objectives of remote sensing the moon. The payloads will collect scientific information on lunar topography, mineralogy, elemental abundance, lunar exosphere and signatures of hydroxyl and water ice. A crucial test before the launch called Lander Sensor Performance Test (LSPT) was conducted by ISRO over an artificial lunar site set up at Challakere, Karnataka. India's space mission Gaganyaan. Question 19. Q. In the context of space technology, what is woman recently in the news? 2010. A mini satellite launched by ISRO for promoting the distance education in India. B. The name given to the next moon impact probe for Chandrayaan-2. C. A geoportal of ISRO with 3D imaging capabilities of India. D. A space telescope developed by India. Question 20. Q. An artificial satellite orbiting around the Earth does not fall down. This is so because the attraction of Earth 2011 does not exist at such distance. B. Is neutralized by the attraction of the moon. C. Provides the necessary speed for its steady motion. D. Provides the necessary acceleration for its motion. Prelim Special. Previous year questions. Science and technology. Space technology. Questions from science and technology. Science and technology. Topics to be covered. Number of question asked from 1995 to 2018. Space 28. Defense 12. Biotechnology 23. Nuclear energy and subatomic particles 20. Diseases in news 20. Information technology and communication networks 13. Latest technology and developments: artificial intelligence, robotics, nanotechnology, etc. 16. Current affairs test series. 10 tests equals 1000 MCQs. Detailed downloadable explanation, comprehensive coverage of current affairs January 2018 to May 2019. Starting the 1st of April 2019. 1,499 rupees only inclusive of GST. Chapter subtopics. Space. Basic facts, satellites and space technology. Important Indian satellites. International space missions Q21 to 28, Q1 to 20. Q. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? 2014 I. 1. Cassini-Huygens, orbiting the Venus and transmitting data to the Earth. 2. Messenger, mapping and investigating the Mercury 3, Voyager 1 and 2, exploring the outer solar system. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B 2 and 3 only. C 1 and 3 only. D 1, 2 and 3. Senior. No. Mission agency target planet objective. 1. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. US NASA outer solar system planets. The Voyager program employs 2 robotic probes, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, to study the outer solar system. The probe's original mission was to study only the planetary systems of Jupiter and Saturn. Voyager 2 continued onto Uranus and Neptune. The Voyagers now explore the outer boundary of the heliosphere in interstellar space. 2. Mariner NASA Mercury, Venus and Mars. The Mariner program was a 10-mission program of robotic interplanetary probes designed to investigate Mars, Venus and Mercury. Mariner 8 and Mariner 9 were designed to map the Martian surface simultaneously. The Mariner 10 spacecraft was the first to use a gravity assist trajectory and was also the first spacecraft to encounter 2 planets Mercury and important planetary mission. Senior. No. Mission agency target planet. Objective. 3. Messenger US NASA Mercury Messenger, an acronym of Mercury Surface, Space Environment, Geochemistry, and Ranging, and a reference to Mercury being the messenger of the gods, is a robotic NASA spacecraft orbiting the planet Mercury, the first spacecraft ever to do so. 4. BP Colombo ISRO and JAXA Mercury. The mission is composed of 2 satellites, the Mercury Planet Orbiter MPO and the Mercury Magnetospheric Orbiter MMO, called MEO. The mission will perform a comprehensive study of Mercury's magnetic field, interior structure, and surface. The mission was named after Giuseppe Colombo, a scientist, engineer, and mathematician who implemented the first interplanetary gravity assist maneuver. Important planetary mission. Senior. No. Mission agency target planet. Objective. 5. Akatsuki JAXA Japan Venus to study the dynamics of the atmosphere of Venus from orbit, particularly the upper atmosphere superrotation and the three-dimensional motion in the lower part of the atmosphere, using multi-wavelength imaging. 6. Venus Express is a European space mission. Venus to conduct a comprehensive study of the atmosphere of Venus and to examine the plasma environment and the interaction between the upper atmosphere and the solar wind. It primarily investigated the role played by the greenhouse effect in creation of the atmosphere. It was also designed to study the weak Venus magnetic field and the possibility of volcanic or seismic activity. 7. Venera USSR Space Agency. Venus. They are a series of space probes developed by the Soviet Union between 1961 and 1984 to gather data from Venus. The name Venera comes from the Russian name for Venus. Venera probes successfully transmitted data from the important planetary mission. Snow mission agency target planet objective. 8. Curiosity NASA Mars to determine Mars's habitability and investigation of the Martian climate and geology. 9. Mars. Atmosphere and volatile evolution. Maven. NASA Mars. The mission was developed by NASA to study the Martian atmosphere while orbiting Mars. Mission goals include determining how the planet's atmosphere and water, presumed to have once been substantial, were lost over time. 10. Opportunity NASA Mars. It is also known as MER-B, Mars Exploration Rover, B or MER-1, and nicknamed OP, is a robotic rover that was active on Mars from 2004 to late 2018. It landed in Meridiani Planum to determine the distribution and composition of minerals, rocks, and soils in presence of water. 10. EnSight mission. NASA Mars interior exploration using seismic investigations, geodesy, and heat transport. EnSight is a robotic lander designed to important planetary mission. Senior. No. Mission agency target planet. Objective. 11. Cassini-Huygens. NASA, ISRO and Italian Space Agency. Saturn and its moons. To study the planet Saturn and its system, including its rings and natural satellites. The flagship class robotic spacecraft comprise both NASA's Cassini probe and ESA's lander Huygens, which landed on Saturn's largest moon, Titan. 12. New Horizon NASA Pluto. The spacecraft was launched in 2006 with the primary mission to perform a flyby study of the Pluto system in 2015 and a secondary mission to fly by and study one or more other Kuiper belt objects, KBOs, in the decade to follow, which as of 2019 includes 2014 MU69. 13. JUICE is Jupiter's moon. Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer. JUICE is an interplanetary spacecraft developed to visit the Jovian system and is focused on studying 3 of Jupiter's Galilean moons, Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. Important planetary mission. Q. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? 2014 I. 1. Cassini-Huygens, orbiting the Venus and transmitting data to the Earth. 2. Messenger, mapping and investigating the Mercury 3, Voyager 1 and 2, exploring the outer solar system. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B 2 and 3 only. C 1 and 3 only. D 1, 2 and 3. Answer B. Q. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? 2007. A Cosmic Background Explorer, COBE, satellite program. B. Falcon, undersea cable system. C. Discovery, space shuttle. D. Atlantis, space station. Important term: spacecraft. A spacecraft is a vehicle or device designed for travel or operation outside the Earth's atmosphere. Example: Voyager and Pioneer. Satellite. A satellite is an object that orbits the Earth, the Moon, or another celestial body. The Chandra X-ray Observatory and the Hubble Space Telescope are spacecrafts that are in orbit around the Earth, so they are also artificial satellites. Space station. A space station is a spacecraft capable of supporting crew members, which is designed to remain in space, mostly in low Earth orbit, for an extended period of time and for other spacecraft to dock. It lacks propulsion or landing systems. Example: International Space Station, the largest artificial satellite being operated by ROSCOSMOS, NASA. ISA, Canada, JAXA, Japan, and ISRO in Tianwen was launched by CNSA, China. Important facts. Cosmic Background Explorer, COBE. It is also referred to as Explorer 66, was a satellite dedicated to cosmology, which operated from 1989 to 1993. Its goals were to investigate the cosmic microwave background radiation, CMB, of the universe and provide measurements that would help shape our understanding of the cosmos. Falcon. The fiber optic submarine telecommunications cable system Falcon became ready for service around September 2006. The system has a length of 10,300 kilometers and is owned and operated by Global Cloud Exchange. Falcon has landing points in Yemen, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, Iraq, Iran, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, India, Sudan, and Egypt. Discovery. Discovery is one of the orbiters from NASA's Space Shuttle program and the third of 5 fully operational orbiters to be built. The shuttle has 3 main components: the orbiter, a central fuel tank, and 2 rocket boosters. It also carried the Hubble Space Telescope into orbit. Discovery was the first operational shuttle to be retired. Important facts: Atlantis. Atlantis is a space shuttle orbiter vehicle belonging to NASA. Space terms in use. Term type: agency. Parker Solar Probe, Eugene Parker, robotic spacecraft to study sun's corona. NASA focusing optics, X-ray solar imager. FOXSI. Sounding rocket mission to focus on sun and its nanoflares. NASA. Advanced Supersonic Parachute Inflation Research Experiment, Aspire. It is an experiment to test supersonic parachute that help missions to land on Mars. NASA. VISIONS-2 sounding rocket. NASA TINGONG-1 space station China. Q. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? 2007. A Cosmic Background Explorer, COBE, satellite program. B. Falcon, undersea cable system. C. Discovery, space shuttle. D. Atlantis, space station. Answer: D. Q. Selene 1, the lunar orbiter mission belongs to which one of the followings? 2008. A. China. B. European Union. C. Japan. D. USA. S. No mission space agency facts. 1. Selene JAXA, Japan, second Japanese lunar orbiter spacecraft following the Hitane probe. It aimed at studying the origins of the moon and obtain information about the lunar surface. Environment. 2. Chang'e 4 CNSA, China. It is a Chinese lunar exploration mission that achieved the first soft landing on the far side of the moon on the 3rd of January 2019. It aims at studying of cosmic rays, observing the solar corona, measuring the chemical compositions of lunar rocks and measuring the lunar surface temperature. 3. Chandrayaan 1 and 2 ISRO, India, India's lunar probe missions. 4. Beresheet Space and Israel Space Agency. A demonstrator of a small robotic lunar lander and lunar probe. Important lunar probe mission. Senior. No. Mission Space Agency objective. 1. Stereo NASA provide first ever stereoscopic measurements to study the sun and space weather, including coronal mass ejections or CMEs. 2. Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, SOHO. ISRO and NASA designed to study the internal structure of the sun, its extensive outer atmosphere and the origin of the solar wind. 3. Aditya L1 ISRO. It is India's first solar mission and will be launched in 2019, which will study the sun's outermost layers, photosphere, soft and hard X-ray, chromosphere, UV, and corona, visible and near. Aditya L1 satellite will be placed in the halo orbit around the Lagrangian point 1, L1 of the Sun-Earth system. Important solar probe mission. Important solar probe mission. Senior. No. Mission Space Agency objective. 4. Parker Solar Probe, NASA, the space agency first mission to the sun that will explore the sun's atmosphere and its outermost atmosphere, the corona. The spacecraft is named after 91-year-old solar physicist Eugene Parker, 91, who was the first scientist to describe solar wind in 1958. 5. Solar orbiter Soyo ISRO plans sun observing satellite to be launched in 2020. Solo is intended to perform detailed measurements of the inner heliosphere and nascent solar wind and perform close observations of the polar regions of the sun. Q. Selene 1. The lunar orbiter mission belongs to which one of the followings? 2008. A. China. B. European Union. C. Japan. D. USA. Answer. C. Q. Which one of the following is a spacecraft? 2008. A. Apophis. B. Cassini. C. Spitzer. D. Texer. Important terms. Apophis. It's a 370-meter diameter near-Earth asteroid that caused a brief period of concern in December 2004 because initial observations indicated a probability of up to 2.7% that it would hit Earth on April 13, 2029. Spitzer. The Spitzer Space Telescope (SST), formerly the Space Infrared Telescope Facility (SIRTF), is an infrared space telescope launched in 2003 by NASA and is still operating as of 2019. Texer. It is also known as Polaris and OFEK-8. It is an Israeli reconnaissance satellite equipped with synthetic aperture radar developed by Elta Systems. It was successfully launched by PSLV-C-10 launch vehicle from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in India. Important terms. Cassini. It is a joint project of NASA, European Space Agency and Italian Space Agency launched to probe Saturn. It is a spacecraft. It was launched in 1997 and it arrived on Saturn in 2004. It is the fourth space probe to visit Saturn after Pioneer 11, Voyager 1, Voyager 2, and the first to enter orbit. Its design includes a Saturn orbiter and a lander called Huygens for the moon Titan, landed in 2005. The data collected by lander suggests the possibility of hosting life in Saturn's moon Enceladus. This was the first landing ever accomplished in the outer solar system. After 20 years in space, NASA's Cassini spacecraft has made its final death plunge in Saturn recently. Q. Which one of the following is a spacecraft? 2008. A. Apophis. B. Cassini. C. Spitzer. D. Texer. Answer. B. Q. The world's highest ground-based telescopic observatory is located in 2002. A. Columbia. B. India. C. Nepal. D. None of the above. Senior. No telescope location feature. 1. Sophia. Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, NASA's Armstrong Flight Research Center, California, largest airborne observatory. Jointly being implemented by NASA and German Aerospace Center, DLR. 2. Angari Observatory, Tibet, China, world's highest altitude gravitational wave telescope. Best location in the northern hemisphere to detect the gravitational waves due to thin air and its dry climate. Important telescopes. Observatory in use. Observatories. An observatory is a location used for observing terrestrial or celestial events. Astronomical observatories are mainly divided into 4 categories: space-based, airborne, ground-based, and underground-based. Senior. No telescope location feature. 3. Chandra X-ray Observatory, NASA space-based telescope. To detect X-ray emission from very hot regions of the universe such as exploded stars, clusters of galaxies, and matter around black holes. 4. Kepler Telescope, NASA space-based observatory. It was originally launched in 2009 as part of NASA's Discovery program. It recently ran out of fuel and was retired nearly after 9-year mission. It was the first telescope to find a planet, Kepler 69c, approximately the size of Earth in the habitable region of a star. It examined the TRAPPIST-1 system, which likely has multiple Earth-sized planets in it between December 2016 and March 2017. Important telescopes. Observatory in use. Senior. No telescope location feature. 4. Giant Magellan Telescope, Atacama, Chile, proposed to be located in Chile's Atacama Desert. It will have a resolving power 10 times greater than the Hubble Space Telescope. 5. Ares Telescope, Davis Hull, Nainital, joint collaboration between Indian, Belgian and Russian scientists. Can be operated from anywhere in world. 6. Indian Astronomical Observatory. Ladakh, India, currently world's 9th highest observatory at 4,500 meters. It is operated by the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bangalore. 7. Tau, University of Tokyo, Atacama Observatory, Atacama, Chile, currently the highest ground-based observatory at 5,640 meters. Important telescopes. Observatory in use. Q. The world's highest ground-based telescopic observatory is located in A. Columbia. B. India. C. Nepal. D. None of the above. Answer. D. Q. Cape Canaveral, the site from which space shuttles are launched, is located side the coast of 2009. A. Florida. B. Virginia. C. North Carolina. D. South Carolina. Launch pad. A launch pad is a platform from where space vehicles are launched. Senior. No launch site in use. Location. Space agency associated with managing the site. 1. Guiana Space Center, Kourou, French. Guiana ISRO and CNES, French. Space Agency. 2. Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, Florida, US. NASA. 3. Baikonur, Cosmodrome, Kazakhstan, Russian Space Agency. 4. Tanegashima Space Center, Japan, JXA 5. Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, India. ISRO 6. Tela Satellite Launch Center, Pakistan, SUPARCO. Q. Cape Canaveral, the site from which space shuttles are launched, is located side the coast of 2009. A. Florida. B. Virginia. C. North Carolina. D. South Carolina. Answer. A. Q. NASA's Deep Impact Space Mission was employed to take detailed pictures of which comet nucleus? 2007. A. Halley's Comet. B. Hale-Bopp. C. Hyakutake. D. Temple 1. NASA Space Mission Deep Impact. Deep Impact was a NASA space probe launched from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station on January 12, 2005. It was designed to study the interior composition of the comet Temple 1 by releasing an impactor into the comet. Previous space missions to comets, such as Giotto, Deep Space 1, and Stardust, were flyby missions. These missions were able to photograph and examine only the surfaces of cometary nuclei, and even then from considerable distances. The Deep Impact mission was the first to eject material from a comet's surface. Upon the completion of its primary mission, proposals were made to further utilize the spacecraft. Consequently, Deep Impact flew by Earth on December 31, 2007 on its way to an extended mission, designated EPOXI, with a dual purpose to study extrasolar planets and comet Hartley 2, 103P Hartley. Other missions in use. Space mission in News targeted object space agency features. Rosetta Comet 67P Churyumov Gerasimenko. It's the first spacecraft to accompany a comet as it enters the inner solar system. It also included the Philae lander, which made the first touchdown on the comet. OSIRIS-REx, the origins, spectral interpretation, resource identification, security regolith explorer, Bennu asteroid. NASA. The spacecraft will travel to a near-Earth asteroid called Bennu and bring sample back to Earth for study and help scientists investigate how planets formed and how life began. Lucy mission Jupiter's Trojan asteroid. NASA. Trojans are bodies that are present in Lagrange point. Psyche mission Psyche asteroid. NASA explored the giant metal asteroid Hayabusa 2 UV asteroid JXA. Take samples for study. Q. NASA's deep impact space mission was employed to take detailed pictures of which comet nucleus. 2007. Halley's comet. B. Hale Bopp. C. Hyakutake. D. Temple 1. Answer. D. Q. What is Greased Lightning 10 GL10 recently in the news? 2018. Electric plane tested by NASA. B. Solar powered two-seater aircraft designed by Japan. C. Space observatory launched by China. D. Reusable rocket designed by ISRO. Q. What is the purpose of the US Space Agency Themis mission, which was recently in the news? 2008. To study the possibility of life on Mars. B. To study the satellites of Saturn. C. To study the colorful display of high-latitude skies. D. To build a space laboratory to study the stellar explosions. Q. Read about the following space missions and find the space agency involved with it. Launch site of the satellite and the main objective behind the mission. 1. Bell 25. Chug IV. 2. Copernicus Project 6. Grace 4. 3. NISA 7. ICES 8024. New Frontier Program 8. Dawn mission. Q. Read about the following important telescopes frequently seen in news and find out where they located, who developed them and what purpose they serve. 1. Hubble Space Telescope 4. Spherex. 2. Giant Meter Wave Radio Telescope 5. Sparks 3. James Webb Telescope 6. Excalibur. Prelim Special. Previous year questions. Science and technology. Defense. Questions from science and technology. Science and technology. Topics to be covered. Number of question asked from 1995 to 2018. Space 28. Defense 12. Nuclear energy and subatomic particles 20. Biotechnology 23. Diseases in news 20. Information technology and communication networks 13. Latest technology and developments. Artificial intelligence, robotics, nanotechnology, etc. 16. Current affairs test series. 10 tests equals 1000 MCQs. Detailed downloadable explanation. Comprehensive coverage of current affairs January 2018 to May 2019. Starting the 1st of April 2019. 1,499 rupees only inclusive of GST. Q. Under the administration of which one of the following is the Department of Atomic Energy? 2009. A Prime Minister's Office. B. Cabinet Secretariat. C. Ministry of Power. D. Ministry of Science and Technology. About Department of Atomic Energy. The Department of Atomic Energy, DE, is a department directly under the Prime Minister of India with headquarters in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. DE was established in 1954 by presidential order. DE has been engaged in the development of nuclear power technology, applications of radiation technologies in the fields of agriculture, medicine, industry and basic research. Organization. DE comprises 5 research centers, 3 industrial organizations, 5 public sector undertakings and 3 service organizations. It has under its aegis 2 boards for promoting and funding extramural research in nuclear and allied fields, mathematics and the National Institute, Deemed University. It also supports 8 institutes of international repute engaged in research in basic sciences, astronomy, astrophysics, cancer research and education. It also has in its fold an educational society that provides educational facilities for children of their employees. About DRDO. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, is an agency of the Government of India, charged with the military's research and development, headquartered in New Delhi, India. It was formed in 1958 by the merger of the Technical Development Establishment and the Directorate of Technical Development and Production with the Defense Science Organization. It is under the administrative control of the Ministry of Defense, Government of India. With a network of 52 laboratories, which are engaged in developing defense technologies covering various fields, like aeronautics, armaments, electronics, land combat engineering, life sciences, materials, missiles, and naval systems, DRDO is India's largest and most diverse research organization. The organization includes around 5,000 scientists belonging to the Defense Research and Development Service, DRDS, and about 25,000 other scientific, technical and supporting personnel. Q. Under the administration of which one of the following is the Department of Atomic Energy? 2009. A Prime Minister's Office. B. Cabinet Secretariat. C. Ministry of Power. D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Answer A. Q. Consider the following organizations. 2001. 1. Atomic Minerals Directorate for Research and Exploration. 2. Heavy Water Board. 3. Indian Rare Earths Limited. 4. Uranium Corporation of India. Which of these are under the Department of Atomic Energy? 1 only. B. 1 and 4. C. 2, 3 and 4. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Organization chart. Depth of atomic energy. Research and development. Public sector industrial organizations. Service. Organizations. Aided organizations. Bhabha Atomic Research Center. BARC. Mumbai. Atomic Minerals. Directorate for Exploration and Research. AMD. Hyderabad. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research. IGCAR. Kalpakkam. Tamil Nadu. Rajaramana Center for Advanced Technology. RRC-80. Indore. Variable Energy Cyclotron Center. VECC. Kolkata Electronics. Corporation of India. ECIL. Hyderabad. Indian Rare Earths Limited. IREL. Mumbai. Uranium Corporation of India. Singhabum Nuclear Power. Corporation of India. NPCIL. Mumbai. Bhartiya Navya Vidyut Nigam Limited. Bhavini. Heavy Water Board. HWB. Mumbai. Nuclear Fuel Complex. NFC. Hyderabad. Board of Radiation and Isotope Technology. GRIT. Mumbai. Directorate of Construction Services and Estate Management. DCSEM. Mumbai. Directorate of Purchase and Stores. DPS. Mumbai General Services Organization. JSO. National Institute of Science Education and Research. Bhubaneswar. National Board for Higher Mathematics. NBHM. New Delhi. Atomic Energy Education Society. AEES. Mumbai. Tata Memorial Center. Mumbai Center for Excellence in Basic Sciences. Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics. ASINP. Kolkata. Institute of Physics. Bhubaneswar. Harish Chandra Research Institute. HRI. Allahabad. Institute of Mathematical Sciences. IMSC. Chennai. Organization chart. Ministry of Defense. Debt of Defense. Debt of ex-servicemen welfare. Debt of Defense Production. Debt of Defense Research and Development. The Department of Defense deals with the integrated defense staff IDs and free services and various inter-service organizations. It is also responsible for the defense budget, establishment matters, defense policy, matters relating to parliament, defense cooperation with foreign countries and coordination of all defense-related activities. It is headed by a secretary and deals with all resettlement, welfare and pensionary matters of ex-servicemen. The Department of Defense Production is headed by a secretary and deals with matters pertaining to defense production, indigenization of imported stores, equipment and spares, planning and control of departmental production units of the Ordnance Factory Board and defense public sector undertakings (DPSUs). The Department of Defense Research and Development is headed by a secretary. Its function is to advise the government on scientific aspects of military equipment and logistics and the formulation of research, design and development plans for equipment required by the services. Departments of MHA. Department of Border Management. Department of Internal Security. Department of J&K Affairs. Department of Home. Department of Official Language. Department of States. Ministry of Home Affairs Central Police Organization. Intelligence Bureau. Central Bureau of Investigation. Bureau of Police Research and Development. BPRD. National Crime Records Bureau. National Investigation Agency. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Hyderabad. Northeastern Police Academy, Shillong. National Institute of Criminology and Forensic Science. NICFS. National Disaster Response Force. Central Armed Police Forces. Assam Rifles, AR. Border Security Force, BSF. Central Industrial Security Force, CISF. Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF. Indo-Tibetan Border Police, ITBP. National Security Guard, NSG. Sashastra Seema Bal, SSB. Organization chart. Q. Consider the following organizations. 2001. 1. Atomic Minerals Directorate for Research and Exploration. 2. Heavy Water Board. 3. Indian Rare Earths Limited. 4. Uranium Corporation of India. Which of these are under the Department of Atomic Energy? 1 only. B. 1 and 4. C. 2. 3 and 4. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Answer D. Q. In the context of Indian defense, consider the following statements. 2009. 1. The Shaurya missile flies with a speed of more than 8 Mach. 2. The range of Shaurya missile is more than 1,600 kilometers. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Q. With reference to Agni IV missile, which of the following statements are correct? 2014. 1. It is a surface-to-surface missile. 2. It is fueled by liquid propellant only. 3. It can deliver 1 ton nuclear warheads about 7,500 kilometers away. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Q. Consider the following statements. 2007. 1. In November 2006, DRDO successfully conducted the interception test using Prithvi-2 missile. 2. Prithvi-2 is a surface-to-surface missile and can be deployed to guard the metros against air attacks. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Missiles. In modern language, a missile, also known as a guided missile, is a guided self-propelled system. Missiles have 4 system components: targeting or missile guidance, flight system, engine, and warhead. Classification of missiles on basis of type. Ballistic missile. A ballistic missile follows a ballistic trajectory to deliver 1 or more warheads on a predetermined target. These weapons are only guided during relatively brief periods of flight. Most of their trajectory is unpowered, being governed by gravity and air resistance if in the atmosphere. Example: Prithvi, Dhanush and Agni missiles of India. 1. Classification of missiles. Ballistic missiles on basis of range. Tactical missile. A tactical ballistic missile (TBM) or battlefield range ballistic missile (BRBM) is a ballistic missile designed for short-range battlefield use. Typically, range is less than 300 kilometers. Tactical ballistic missiles are usually mobile to ensure survivability and quick deployment, as well as carrying a variety of warheads to target enemy facilities, assembly areas, artillery, and other targets behind the front lines. Example: Prahar, Pralay and Pragati of India, Al-Samad of Iraq, Abdali and Ghaznavi of Pakistan, etc. 1. Short-range ballistic missile. A short-range ballistic missile (SRBM) is a ballistic missile with a range of about 1,000 kilometers, 620 miles or less. Example: QRSAM, Agni I, Shaurya, etc. of India. 2. Medium-range ballistic missile. A medium-range missile is defined by having a maximum range of between 1,000 and 3,000 kilometers. In modern terminology, example: Ababil, Gori I and Gori II of Pakistan and Agni II of India. 3. Intercontinental ballistic missile. An intercontinental ballistic missile (ICBM) is a guided ballistic missile with a minimum range of 5,500 kilometers, 3,400 miles, primarily designed for nuclear weapons delivery. Example: Agni V of India, DF-31 of China, etc. 4. Classification of missiles on basis of type. Cruise missile. A cruise missile is a guided missile used against terrestrial targets that remains in the atmosphere and flies the major portion of its flight path at approximately constant speed. Cruise missiles are designed to deliver a large warhead over long distances with high precision. They can be short range, less than 3 OOKILOMILLISECOND, medium range 300, 1000 kms, or long range, greater than 1 OOKILOMILLISECOND. Example: Nirve, India, Popeye Turbo ALCM, Israel, Radan Babur, Pakistan, Tomahawk and Harpoon, US, BrahMos, India and Russia, etc. 2. Types of cruise missile based on speed. 1. Subsonic cruise missile. A cruise missile whose speed is lesser than that of sound is called a subsonic cruise missile. Few famous subsonic cruise missiles are American Tomahawk, Harpoon and Exocet. 2. Supersonic cruise missile. A cruise missile whose speed is 2 to 3 Mach is called a supersonic cruise missile. BrahMos is an example of supersonic cruise missile. 3. Hypersonic cruise missile. A cruise missile whose speed is more than 5 Mach is called as hypersonic. Cruise missile. BrahMos 2 missile, which is in developing mode, is an example of hypersonic cruise missile. Classification of missiles on basis of launch mode. Surface-to-surface missile. Surface-to-surface missile can be launched from surface and generally it is powered by rocket motor. Also, surface-to-surface missile is a guided projectile. Example: Prithvi. 1. Surface-to-air missile. Surface-to-air missiles can be launched from surface and used to target aerial objects such as aircraft and other missiles. 2. Surface-to-sea missile. Surface-coast-to-sea missiles can be launched from surface to destroy ships in the sea. 3. Air-to-air missile. Air-to-air missiles are used in aircraft weaponry system to destroy other aircraft. The air-to-air missile can travel at 4 Mach speed. 4. Classification of missiles on basis of launch mode. Sea-to-sea missile. Sea-to-sea missiles can be launched from ship to destroy other ships. 6. Sea-to-surface missile. Sea-to-surface coast missile can be launched from ship to target object on the land. 7. Anti-tank missile. An anti-tank missile can be launched from a ship, shoulder-mounted launcher or from an aircraft to destroy tanks that are heavily armored. 8. Air-to-surface missile. Air-to-surface missile is used by aircraft to destroy targets on land or sea. 5. Missiles. Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. The Integrated Guided Missile Development Program (IGMDP) was an Indian Ministry of Defense program for the research and development of the comprehensive range of missiles. The program was managed by the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) and Ordnance Factories Board in partnership with other Indian government political organizations. The project started in 1982-83 with popular political support from the successive governments and bestowed under the leadership of Abdul Kalam, who oversaw its ending in 2008 after these strategic missiles were successfully developed. The 5 missiles P-80 and A developed under this program are Prithvi, short-range surface-to-surface ballistic missile. Agni, ballistic missiles with different ranges, i.e. Agni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Trishul, short-range low-level surface-to-air missile. Nag, third-generation anti-tank missile. Akash, medium-range surface-to-air missile. Missile range type fuel launch mode features. Prithvi I, Army, short-range tactical, 150 kilometers. Ballistic single-stage liquid fueled. Surface-to-surface. Payload, 1000 kilograms. Developed by DRDO under IGMDP to be replaced by Prahar missile. Prithvi 2, Air Force, short-range, 350 kilometers. Ballistic single-stage liquid fueled. Surface-to-surface. Payload, 500 kilograms. Developed under IGMDP by DRDO, tested at Chandipur, Orissa, can be deployed to guard the metros against air attacks and can be deployed near sensitive installations and the border. Prithvi 3, Naval. Or Dhanush, short-range, 350 kilometers. Ballistic 2 stage with first as solid and second as liquid. Will be launched from sea. Payload, 1000 kg. Developed under IGMDP by DRDO, tested at Integrated Test Range, Chandipur. Important defense missiles. Missile range type fuel launch mode features. Agni I short range with 7 OOKILOMILLISECOND. Ballistic solid fuel single stage. Surface to surface. Nuclear capable. Developed under IGMDP. Agni 2 medium range 2 OOKILOMILLISCCOND. Ballistic solid fuel 2 staged. Surface to surface. Nuclear capable. Developed under IGMDP. Agni 3 medium range 25 OOKILOMILLISCCOND. Ballistic solid fuel 2 staged. Surface to surface. Nuclear capable. Fire and forget capability. Agni IB medium range 35010 OOKILOMILLISCCOND. Ballistic solid fuel 2 staged. Surface to surface. Nuclear capable. Ring laser gyro and composite rocket motor. Agni V intercontinental ballistic missile. 50018 OOKILOMILLISCCOND. Ballistic solid fuel 2 staged. Engine. Surface to surface. Nuclear capable payload 1500 kg. Fire and forget system. Agni V intercontinental ballistic missile. Ballistic solid fuel 2 stage. Surface to surface. Expected to have multiple independently targetable V. Important defense missiles. Missile range type fuel launch mode features. Prashul 9 KILOMILLISCCOND low flying attack supersonic missile. Single stage solid fuel surface to air equipped with electronic measures against all known aircraft jammers used as anti-skimmer from ships against low flying attacks. Now 3 to 7 kms anti-tank guided. Missile. 2-stage solid fuel Namica tank destroyer. Helena. Helicopter. Launch NAG. Air-launched version NAG from aircraft 3rd generation hit to kill. Fire and forget all-weather top attack missile. Active imaging infrared seeker. Subsonic sped. Akash 30 km ballistic missile. Solid fuel surface to air developed under IGMDP. Multi-target engagement. Capability 720 kg missile. Important defense missiles. Missile range type fuel launch mode features. BrahMos 29 OKILOMILLISCCOND. Since India's entry into this elite club, its range was extended to 450 km and plan is to increase it to 600 km. Supersonic cruise first stage, solid second stage, liquid. Can be launched from submarine, ships, aircraft, or land. Fastest cruise missile, Ramjet engine. It is a joint venture between the Russian Federation and India's Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. K-15. Sagarika 75 OKILOMILLISCCOND ballistic two-stage solid fuel. Submarine launch nuclear capable. BrahMos 2. Expected to have range 45 OKILOMILLISCCOND hypersonic. Cruise Max 7 two stages similar to BrahMos I. Scramjet multiple launch capability. India-Russia joint venture fire and forget. Can carry both warhead. Astra very short range 21.8 OKILOMILLISCCOND. Super NIC. 4.5 max solid fuel air to air all weather. Beyond visual runway air to air missile. Important defense missiles. Missile range type fuel launch mode features. Pralay missile 35015 OKILOMILLISCCOND tactical missile short. Range ballistic. Missile. Solid fuel based surface to surface based on Prithvi defense vehicle from Indian ballistic missile defense program. Nirvay long range 10 OKILOMILLISCCOND. All weather subsonic. Missile. Two stage solid fuel. Multiple platforms. Indian version of Tomahawk can carry both warheads. It has a ring laser gyroscope RLG. Base guidance, control and navigation system. QR SAM quick. Reaction. Surface to air missile. 3 OKILOMILLISCCOND short range missile. Solid fuel surface to air from a rotorable truck. Mounted. An all-weather, all-terrain missile with electronic countermeasures against jamming by aircraft radars. Developed indigenously by DRDO. Shaurya 7 OKILOMILLISCCOND hypersonic. Two-stage solid. Surface to surface nuclear capable land variant of. Important defense missiles. Q. In the context of Indian defense, consider the following statements. 2009. 1. The Shaurya missile flies with a speed of more than 8 Mach. 2. The range of Shaurya missile is more than 1,600 kilometers. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer D. Q. With reference to Agni IB missile, which of the following statements is correct? 2014. 1. It is a surface-to-surface missile. 2. It is fueled by liquid propellant only. 3. It can deliver 1 ton nuclear warheads about 7,500 kilometers away. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer A. Q. Consider the following statements. 2007. 1. In November 2006, DRDO successfully conducted the interception test using Prithvi 2 missile. 2. Prithvi 2 is a surface-to-surface missile and can be deployed to guard the metros against air attacks. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer C. Q. Which one of the following is a modern tank? 1996. B. Akash. C. Arjun. D. Prithvi. Equipment type features. Pinaka Mark 1 multiple rocket launcher. Indigenous multi-barrel unguided rocket launch system developed by DRDO. The system has a maximum range of 40 km for Mark 1 and 75 km for Mark 2. Arjun tank 3rd generation main battle tank. Computerized fire control system. GPS navigation system. K9 Vajrati gun artillery gun developed by South Korea. 155 mm 39 caliber towed artillery gun and weighs just 4 tons, making it transportable under. Slung from helicopters. India is planning to procure this beam artillery system. The beam self-propelled howitzer is a private venture of the South African company Denel under the supervision of Indian Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. It was designed. Important defense artillery in use. Q. Which one of the following is a modern tank? 1996. B. Akash. C. Arjun. D. Prithvi. Answer C. Q. In the context of the Indian defense, what is Dhruv? 2008. Aircraft carrying warship. B. Missile carrying submarine. C. Advanced light helicopter. D. Intercontinental ballistic missile. Consider the following statements. 2009. 1. In Sindhu Ghosh is an aircraft carrier. 2. In Virat is a submarine. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Which one of the following is the best description of INS Astradharini that was in the news recently? 2016. Amphibious warfare ship. B. Nuclear powered submarine. C. Torpedo launch and recovery vessel. D. Nuclear powered aircraft carrier. Important aircrafts. Helicopters. Aircraft. Helicopter type features. Advanced medium combat aircraft. 5th generation aircraft. India's next indigenous fighter is expected to make its first flight by 2032. Aircraft will have stealth technology making it difficult to spot. Tejas indigenous fighter aircraft. Designed by the Aeronautical Development Agency ADA and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL. It is a single-seat, single-jet engine, multi-role light fighter. Smallest and lightest multi-role supersonic fighter aircraft in its class. It can fire air-to-air missiles, carry bombs and precision-guided ammunition. MiG-21 supersonic aircraft. India inducted the MiG-21 in 1963 and got full technology transfer from Russia and rights to license build the aircraft in the country. Dhruv utility helicopter. Developed by HAL. It is designed to meet the requirement of both military and civil operators, with military variants of the helicopter being developed for the Indian Armed Forces, while a variant for civilian commercial use has also been developed. Important aircrafts, helicopter type features. Sukhoi Su-30 MKI indigenous supersonic aircraft. Sukhoi aircraft was developed by Russia. The license for building it was given to Indian Air Force in the past 2 decades. It is twin-jet multi-role aircraft capable of attaining speeds of Mach 2 at high altitudes. It can carry guns, missiles, bombs, rockets and other weaponry. Faham 98 Chinese aircraft. World's largest unmanned transport aircraft which can carry payload of 1.5 tons. Cruising speed of 180 km per hour and a maximum range of 1,200 km. Kamov Ka-220-60 Russian military. Helicopters. Lightweight, twin-engine multi-role chopper offers services for both military and civilian purposes. It will replace India's aging fleet of Cheetor and Chetak. Rafale French fighter aircraft. French twin-engine, Canard Delta wing, multi-role fighter aircraft designed and built by Dassault Aviation. Important UAVs. UAV type features. Nishant UAV developed by India's ADE, Aeronautical Development Establishment, a branch of DRDO. Capable of being catapult launched and recovered by using parachute, thus eliminating the need for a runway as in case of conventional takeoff and landing with wheels. Punchy UAV light version of UAV Nishant, autonomous flight capabilities. It is launched by catapult and has to use parachute for landing. It is equipped with a sophisticated image processing system to help it track enemy. It will be used for reconnaissance, battlefield surveillance, target tracking and localization and artillery fire. Correction. Global Hawk drone unmanned surveillance aircraft. Used as a high-altitude long-endurance platform covering the spectrum of intelligence collection capability. Rustam 2 unmanned combat air vehicle UAV. Medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned air vehicle being developed by Defense Research and Development Organization. Important submarines. Submarines type features. INS Arihant nuclear submarine. India's first indigenous nuclear submarine, 6,000-ton ATV, named INS Arihant, launched into the water at Shipbuilding Center in Visakhapatnam in 2009. It can carry 12 Sagarika K-15 submarine launched ballistic missiles (SLBMs) having range of over 700 kilometers. INS Chakra nuclear submarine. INS Chakra is a 8,140-ton Akula class submarine, nuclear-powered attack submarine leased by Russia. Sindhu Ghosh diesel electric submarine. First submarine in Indian Navy to be equipped with anti-ship cruise missiles with a range of 220 kilometers. Shishma diesel electric submarine. Kalari class attack submarine, built with Germany, home port is Mumbai. INS Kiltan Commotor class corvette. Anti-submarine warfare corvette of the Indian Navy built under Project 28, built by the Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, GRSE. Kolkata Kiltan is India's first ship to have a superstructure of carbon fiber composite material and advanced stealth features. Important submarines. Submariners type features. INS Vikramaditya modified Kiev class aircraft. Carrier. Vikramaditya was acquired from Russia for $2.3 billion. It was commissioned into the Navy in November 2013 without the crucial air defense systems. The carrier was originally named as Baku, served the Soviet Navy from 1987 to 1991. INS Vishal indigenous aircraft carrier. 2 IAC-2. To be built at Kochi shipyard, might have CATOBAR system, will be able to carry up to 55 aircrafts. Vikrant Combat Management System IAC-1. Undergoing outfitting at Kochi shipyard limited, old British era Vikrant was commissioned as the first aircraft carrier of the Indian Navy and played a key role in enforcing the naval blockade of East Pakistan during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971. INS Virat Centaur class aircraft. Carrier of the Indian Navy. INS Virat was the flagship of the Indian Navy before INS Vikramaditya was commissioned in 2013. On the 23rd of July 2016, Virat sailed for the last time under her own power from Mumbai to Kochi, where she was dry docked and prepared for decommissioning and will now be developed as museum. Important submarines. Submarines type features. INS Ashradharini torpedo launch and recovery vessel. It is Indian Navy's first totally indigenously designed and built torpedo launch and recovery vessel (TRV), and vessel is a replacement of INS Astra Vahini. Commissioned at Visakhapatnam. Rani Rashmoni fast patrol vessel indigenously built by Hindustan Shipyard and will be kept at Visakhapatnam in Starasa jet fast attack craft, good endurance, low draft, high speed and maneuverability, thus making her most suited for her primary role of extended coastal and offshore surveillance and patrol. The first 2 ships of the class, i.e., INS Tamagli and Tihayu, were commissioned in 2016 and are based at Visakhapatnam, and the third ship INS Silanchang was commissioned earlier this year at Karwar. Q. In the context of the Indian defense, what